Jai Hind students, welcome to back in computer class. Today we will learn here what is highlight in MS Word. A highlight is a visual indication that text or another object selected with the mouse or keyboard. When text, files, folders, cells or other objects are highlighted, they will be a different color, have a bold border or other types of formatting that differentiate it from other objects. For example, when highlighting text, the selected text color reverse so as blue have dots around the selection or have bold line around the selected text. So highlighted text allow a user to move, copy or cut that text, selected text, highlighting an object such as an icon. Also allow it to be cut, copied, detected, moved, viewed, opened or otherwise manipulated. I want to share my screen to show it with carefully. Yes students, first click on start button and open Microsoft Word, and then after we will learn here how to select it a text. Highlighting text from the Home tab, click the text highlighted color, drop down arrow, the highlighted text color menu appear. It is the highlighted text menu will be appear from here, and choose the color if you want. I want to remove it, and once see it how you can highlight it of the text. Very simple highlighting of the text. Suppose I want to highlight it of the text. First you should be select text or sentence or word. Suppose I have selected this text and this word or sentence and click on this is the highlighted text color in your Home tab and click on it. See, there is a color is given. If you have to choose any color from here, it will be highlighted of your given or selected text. Suppose I have to choose this one green color. It is the highlighted. Now listen and see. Your selected text or sentence has, once again I want to select it. First select your text and click on text highlight color. Choose the color from here. You can choose any color. Now yellow color is here. Yes, see, selected text or sentence have highlighted. Or you can choose one word also. Suppose highlighted only color, I want to choose the color. It is a word and select it and click on here text highlight color and click on here and choose a color for that and click on OK. Yes, selected text or word has highlighted. Maybe you have understood. You can give text or sentence or word, selected text, give the highlighted of that one. Giving the text, yes, selected text has highlighted. Maybe you have understood. Next one. Now, next topic is how can you select a text is bold, italic and underline command. How can you give the selected text will be bold, italic or underline command. Yes, let us see once again. I want to share my screen. See it carefully. Using bold, italic and underline commands, select the text which you want to modify or formatting. Yes, select the text you wish to modify. Suppose I want to select this text or sentence or word. It is depend on you which you want to select, bold, italic and underline. Suppose I want to select that this sentence, select the text you wish to modify. I have selected this one and then click on bold, or you can choose also shortcut key for this. Click on B in the font group. It is a formatting tab. Click on B, it for bold. Yes, you can see now the selected text has in bold. Once again and choose the shortcut key. Select that text. Now this time your line has selected, your sentence has selected, and hold the control key and press B to bold. Yes, and next one. I want to choose this selected word in bold. First, you should be select that one which you want to bold. Yes, and click on here in the font group, choose the B. Make your text bold. Now see your selected text has in bold, and I want to choose next word is italic and also change into italic. First you have to select that one and click on I. It for italic, or you can use shortcut key for this, Control plus I. Now your selected text is in italic. And third one, I want to choose this word for underline. First select it and click on U, or you can use shortcut key for it, Control plus U. Underline. First, once again, I want to type Sunbeam. Academy. And then after, first select it and I want to increase the size of this. See. And then after, choose the bold. To bold, first select it, click on B. Now this time your selected text has bold, and then after click on I, and now bold with italic, and then after click on U for underline. Now you can see your selected text in bold, italic and underline. Yes. Your selected text is in bold, italic and underline. Now, alignment. Alignment refers to where and how the text line up. Default setting in MS Word will left align your text, but there are many other ways to format a document's alignment. You can apply these alignment option to a specific section by the first highlighting the text and then entering the desired keyboard command. Let us see how can you give the alignment of the text or sentence in MS Word. To change the alignment, suppose you have to type here, you can see with easily when you have to open your new file. Suppose I have opened a new file, blank document. See your alignment in paragraph group. Alignment has selected left side, means align left. There are 4 types of alignment in MS Word. First is, it is a by default selected left alignment, means align left, and it is align right, and it is a align center alignment, and it is your justify. Yes, I want to see here how can you alignment your text. First I want to type here some sentence, then after suppose I have choose a paragraph from here. Yes, I want to change the alignment of that. It is a by selected default alignment left. Control plus L to select the left alignment. It is a shortcut key for the Control L for alignment left. Align your content with the left margin. And suppose once again I want to select that paragraph and click on right alignment. You can use Control plus R shortcut to right alignment. Yes, now you can see easily this time your alignment is in right side. This is the right alignment and it is the left alignment. Where your mouse is blinking like, see my mouse is where mouse is moving the side, it is the right side and this is the left side. The right side is in alignment. And now I want to choose once again, click on left alignment and see now your selected paragraph or sentence in left side, alignment left, and I want to choose in this is the center position. Yes, you can click on the center alignment of the given text or you can sentence also center your content on the page. Now see whatever you have to type here, it is selected in the center. Suppose once again I want to type here, select first left and type here Sunbeam Academy and select your text and click on center. It will be as in center align. See now it is in center position of the page. Okay, or you can write also. It is in right side and it is in left side and it is in center position. And suppose I want to choose this paragraph and click on justify, means both sides. Distribute your text evenly between the margin. Yes, see, now in both sides are equal. Right side and left side are in equal, means both side alignment has set. You can use also center. It is in center, it is in right, it is in left, and it is in justify. Control plus J, it is a shortcut key for justify alignment. Control plus R, it is a shortcut key for alignment right. Control plus E, center your alignment, and control plus L to left your alignment. It is a shortcut keys for this alignment. Maybe you have understood to give the alignments of the selected text or selected sentence or paragraph. Suppose I have choose once again second paragraph to here. Yes, when you have to double click on anywhere from that, suppose you have to double click on that. When you have to double click on that, your text will be selected, or if you have to triple click of that, your paragraph has been selected. Yes, or you can suppose double click to text will be select, and when you have to triple click, a paragraph will be selected. Yes students, to change the text alignment, select the text you wish to modify. Select one of the four alignment option from the paragraph group on the home tab. Align text left, center, align text right, and justify. Align text left. Align all the selected text to the left margin. It is a by default given. Next one, center align. Align text an equal distance from the left and right margin. Align text right. Align all the selected text to the right margin. And justify align. Justified text is equal on both sides and lines up equally to the right and left margin. Many newspapers or magazines use full justification. Now use the bullet and numbering. How can use bullet and numbering? Microsoft Word can automatically create bulleted and numbered list as you type, or you can quickly add bullets or number to existing line of text. Yes, create bullet and numbering list as you type. Okay, let us see. I want to share my screen to see it with carefully. Bullet option, to use a symbol as a bullet. Yes students, suppose I want to put the line, suppose here in the second line, I want to add the symbol for this point. First point is there is given the bullet in the home tab, paragraph group, and then after choose the bullet option. And when you have to click on here, there are many types of bullets are given. You can choose like this type: dot, circle, square. This is symbol icon, and also and this and this. And you can also define new bullets. Okay, suppose I have to choose this one, first bullet, and when you have to enter this, suppose your line has full and press enter button, second bullet will be automatically come. And if you have to choose for that, next are to make your document look professionally, I want to just press enter button. See, the next bullet has come. Next one, it is the bullets, and you can choose the bullet also. I want to change the bullet. Yes, once again when you want to insert your bullets, I want to choose like this type, this one symbol. Yes, yes, and then press enter button. See, I have to, my cursor is blinking here, and press enter button. Yes, second bullet, and press enter button, third bullet. It is the in bullets. Or you can change, suppose you don't want to this symbol, select this one and click on once again paragraph group and choose the bullet, and you can choose the different symbol for that icon for bullet. Yes, selected icon, bullets changed. Or you can also use convert. Next one, once again choose, suppose I want to check. Now see, it is in check position. Okay, how can you give the numbering of the given text or sentence? Suppose I want to choose the first number. Only you can click on home tab and choose the paragraph group and click on here numbering, and which type you want to number, you can see the example of that. Yes, ABC, small abc with parenthesis, small a dot full stop, 1 for the Roman numerals, and like this type. It is a depend on you which type you want to use the numbering. Suppose first I want to choose this one, 1. Yes, click and insert, then choose the alignment and press the enter button. It will come automatically second. Themes and styles, it will be automatically third. Suppose I want to press enter button, fourth, enter button from here, and fifth. Now this time it will become like this type. Or you can change the bullet also. Select and click on. If you don't want to want numbering, you can use also ABC. See, your selected numbering has changed in alphanumeric, in alphabet. Yes, or you can use small abc, or you can choose Roman numerals. Yes, it is a depend on you which you want. Suppose I want to 1, 2, 3 like this type, it will become in Roman numerals. Or you can also, suppose you want to 1 and you want to use A, leave that, and you want to A, how you can use also this numbering list, A and then after, A and then after, A and then after, like this type you can use the list. Suppose I want to choose this one. Now see, 1 is here. Or you can use A and dot, enter, press the space button, it will be automatically selected with numbering. Yes, see, A, B, C, D, it is automatically selected. Once again see, I have to, when press the A and dot and press the space button to, it will be automatically selected. Yes, see, now it is when you have to press on enter button, it will become B. Yes, and suppose you have written some things and press enter button, it will become C. Yes, so very simple to insert numbering and bullets. Yes students, how can you insert picture and clip art in MS Word? Picture and clip art can be inserted or copied into a document from many other sources, including downloaded from a clip art website provider, copies from a web page are inserted from the folder where you save pictures. You can also change how a picture or clip art is with text within a document by using the position and wrap text command. Very simple. Click on pictures command under insert group. Insert pictures dialog box will be appear and click on dialog box open. By default, MS Word search the pictures in default library. If you don't find there on picture in library, you can look from the pictures in the folder present in computer. I want to share my screen to see how you can insert pictures, clip art or images file in your document. Click on start button, choose the MS Word, or you can choose the all apps from here, and then after choose MS Word, scroll down and MS Word choose and it will be open. Now choose blank document. Suppose I want to insert a picture in my document. Yes, how can insert? Click on insert tab and choose the pictures option. You can also purchase from online or save or clip art. Here is a word art. You can use the word art also first and choose. There is a many types of given. You can choose any one. Suppose I have to choose this one and type here. Yes, now your selected text, this time your text is in MS Word. This selected text is in MS Word. It is inserted from MS. It is inserted from word art. This format has given by the word art. Now I want to insert my pictures which I want. Click on pictures, or you can click on home tab and choose the insert and illustration group there is given and choose the picture option and see one dialog box will be appear. This is a dialog box and you can, where you have to store your pictures, you can choose from here. If you have to choose, it is a by default there is a gallery, but there is a no pictures. I want to choose here manually. See, maybe is picture is there, so I want to search it. Yes, many pictures are there. Suppose I have to choose this pictures and click on insert. Now my selected pictures have inserted, and then after give the wrap. It is a position for that. Double click and choose there is a types of wraps square. Now you can right or left very side, or you can decrease or increase of the size from this side, and it is a photo rotation. You can rotate it if you want. Yes, and then after you can choose the picture. It is a behind the text. When you have to choose the behind the text, see now this picture is in back side of the given text. See now it is the back side of the given text. If you have to choose the front of the pictures, front of behind the text, but I want to front of the text. Now see it is a front. Your text is back side. Yes, and next once again wrap. Click on wrap and choose typed. Now your text, when you have to choose from here a square and see text will be, it is already selected of that one, but when you have to insert your pictures, see text will be moved from this side and that side. When you have to your pictures is insert in here, your text is leave there space for that these pictures. Suppose I want to once again, now my picture is in this position, I want to small that and see your text is moving right or left, where I have to select it, my this pictures is there, go that and this side. Next one, click on, double click, tab will be, option will be here, here is the arrangement, and click on here, it is a line with text. Yes, now it is a line with text. When you have to select, see it is an inline. You can insert inline from here, or you can add from this side. See, your text is automatically selected. When you have to click on this side or that side, it is selected. If you have to click on here, front the text, behind the text or front the text, first I have to choose the front the text. Now see, you have to keep on the text. Your picture should be on your text. Your pictures now on text. If you have to send it back of the text, now your text is in the back of the, see, now it is in back side of the text. Okay, maybe you have understood how can insert bullet and numbering, how can insert pictures, how can you give the text highlighting position, highlight position, and many others one, how can you selected the text. At last command, how can you give the printout. When you finish your document, you want to take the printout, how can you give the printout command from that. Very simple, shortcut key also take the print command, and you can also, suppose I want to choose the print, there is a, in quick access toolbar there is a given, click on print button present on the quick access toolbar. If you can print on that one, it will be printed, or you can click on the file tab and choose the print option. I want to show here, suppose I want to print what I have to type here. Say students, I want to print this page, click on file tab, option will be appear, choose the print. Now your text is this side, what you have to type there on your page, it is a preview of that, and select from here. In there printer is installed, it is a print command. If you have to give the print, your selected text will be on printout, and you can take that printout hard copy of this one. There is a given two types of pages. First you can choose, there is a portrait oriented, and you can choose from here landscape orientation. There is a two types of paper is here. First, if you have to selected this type, now your position is in, you can see easily, see, yes, now it is a portrait position. If I want to choose landscape orientation, say it is a just change your in landscape orientation. There is a two types of orientation. First is portrait, it is a by default, it is a in default position. Microsoft, you can choose landscape orientation, you can click on this, and it is a in landscape orientation, and click on it, it is a in portrait orientation. Portrait orientation and landscape orientation. When you have to click on print, it will be give the print on your paper. Learn with carefully. MS Word is word processing package from MS Office. How can you save your file? Saving a document, click on file, choose the save and give the file name, and your document will be saved. How can you open document? If you have already created our existing file, click on file and choose the open and select the file which you want to open. Close the document, click on file and choose the close. If your document has saved, it will be closed, otherwise dialog box will be appear to save it. Change the alignment as left, right, center and justify from the formatting toolbar. Font size and font style can be changed while typing from the formatting toolbar. Font style is different style of writing text. The word, sentence or paragraph can be made bold, italic or underlined from the Home tab. Font style is different style of writing text. The color of the text can be changed while typing from the formatting toolbar. Editing means to make the required change in the typed document and shortcut key for it. Ctrl plus C to copy, Ctrl plus V to paste, Ctrl plus X to cut, Ctrl plus P to print, Ctrl plus W to close your document, Ctrl plus O to open your file in MS Word, Ctrl plus N to open new document. Students, maybe you have understood. If you have computer or laptop, do the more practice at your home. Take care and bye bye.